Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about wild berries growing in Alaska. Did you know that the wild berries in Alaska have been proven to be far more nutritious than berries growing in the lower 48? I think that's pretty cool. Alaskan wild berries are pretty easy to find, easy to identify, and grow just about everywhere in Alaska. I personally love to harvest berries in the summer. I do all sorts of things with them. I like to make jams, sauces, and I freeze a lot of them to make smoothies and other baked goods in the winter time. I decided to pick berries as my presentation because while I do use them a lot, I don't know a lot about the medicinal values of them, and so I wanted to learn more about that. Today, we're going to go over the identification, flavor, uses, and health benefits of three different kinds of berries: blueberries, lowbush cranberries, and cloudberries. I hope you guys are excited to learn about them. The first kind of berry I want to talk about is the blueberry, the most common one. Just about everybody knows about blueberries. So they're in the family Vaccinium alaskanense, and they they do really just grow everywhere. There's two different kinds of blueberries. There's highbush blueberries, which tend to grow in deciduous forests more in like southern Alaska, and then lowbush blueberries, which grow out on the tundra and in pine forests and tend to be more in northern Alaska and at higher elevations. But they are distributed all over the place as well. So blueberries are pretty easy to identify. They're blue and they grow on little twiggy plants, kind of shrubby plants, actually, would be a better way to put it, and deep green leaves. They range from sweet to tart and can be used for jams, pies, tea, all kinds of baked goods, lots of good stuff. So, the National Library of Medicine says that blueberries have tons of antioxidants, which have anti inflammatory properties and can help prevent some pretty nasty diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. So they're pretty awesome. The nutritional levels of Alaskan blueberries have been proven to be 4 to 5 times higher than blueberries you can find in the store. According to Alaska Herbal Solutions, the bark of the on the stems of blueberry plants as well as the leaves can be dried and made into a tea, or cooled into a mouthwash that is good for sore throats. So they have tons of really great health benefits. The lowbush cranberry also has really, really good health benefits. It's even higher than the blueberry in antioxidants, so it's great for preventing those diseases. The cranberry is also really high in vitamin C, according to the University of Oregon website. And it has something in it that is also used commonly for skincare, which is called arbutin. That's the thing in the berry that is in the skincare products. The berry is very tart, although once it freezes, it tends to get a little bit sweeter. So you can do that by picking it and then putting it in your freezer, or you can wait until the first couple of frosts in the fall and then pick your cranberries after that. So it's commonly used for cranberry sauce, cranberry juice, and baked goods. Those are the three main things that people use cranberries for. Cranberries grow in bogs and forests out in the tundra. I've seen them grow in all kinds of places. And I was reading the Bureau of Land Management berry infographic, and that backs all of that up. And also says that they like to grow in acidic soils, so they don't like to grow in all kinds of soil. They grow all over the northern hemisphere in the United States, Canada, Europe, and Asia. So cloudberries are a lot less common. They are not specific to Alaska, but they grow in pretty specific climates, and I believe they're just in North America. So Each plant only produces one berry, and the stems, rather than being woody like most other berries, are herbaceous, which they're just like a green little stem. And so it's just the stem coming up, like two or three, maybe four or five leaves, and then the berry, which grows right at the top of the plant. The berry looks like the same shape as like a big, fat, juicy blackberry, but it is orange, peachy in color, and it tastes nothing like a blackberry. Um, a website called Farm Flavor describes the taste as tangy sweet with floral notes and a yogurt like texture. I personally have tasted them, and I don't think that's a very good description. I think they have this weird, like, kind of, I don't know, almost like a fishy, something weird. I don't like them at all. So, a quick Google search will tell you that the berries are also pretty good for you. They are way lower in antioxidants than the other berries, but they're really high in vitamin C. And they're used for lots of things, jam, baked goods, sauces, and then they're used a lot because of their unique flavor in like high class culinary stuff. Their leaves can also be dried to make a tea that helps with cramps, so that's pretty cool. All in all, the berries in Alaska are a really great resource. Berries, including the blueberries, the lowbush cranberry, and cloudberries, are all probably growing right outside your back door, depending on where you live. They're all over the place, they taste great, and they're super good for you. There's nothing better than to be able to just go outside and pick something that's really good for your body, and going outside and picking stuff is great for your mind as well. So, we're really lucky to be able to be going out and picking some of the most healthy berries anywhere. So, that's pretty great. Hopefully, this presentation inspires you guys all to go berry picking this summer. Thank you.